the kill switch doesn't want to work. So let's just test it again. So it seems very temperamental. I have done a few of these before, so I think because this rubber boot is torn, it's probably let some water in there and we've got a little bit of corrosion on the connections. So we have got a new one, but we're going to try and repair this. I think it's just going to be some cleaning. We're just going to take it apart and see if it's anything obvious. Probably just some corroded connections. That has just vanished. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's looking filthy in there, look. So here's the problem. This contact point in here is pushed too far down, so it's not getting any connection with this metal plate. What we're going to do is push that back out and then just bend these tabs back around. There we go. Now just give that a clean off with some brake cleaner and some contact cleaner. You see it's just all covered in dirt. Proper motocross bike, covered in dirt. Right, let's put them back together and see if it works. Right, let's start them up. This thing starts so easily now, it's amazing. Easy. Bosh!